Belonia Police arrested 2 drug smugglers and also seized a Tata Tiago vehicle bearing number TR08B0468 and a Max vehicle bearing number TR033424. Names of the arrested are Sanak Chaudhary and Parimal Devnath. A total of 99 kg of cannabis in 4 sacks were recovered from them. Based on the confidential sources, Sub-Divisional Police Officer arrested Sanak Chaudhary and Parimal Devnath along with cannabis. The house of these two is in Barapathari area. Sanak Chaudhary was first arrested by the police in the Stromi area while he was taking a sack of cannabis to the Nalwa area of Rishamuk block for smuggling. The cannabis owner Sanak was leaving his Tata Tiago car bearing number TR08B0468 full of cannabis in front of the Max car as the security guard was on the phone with the driver of the Max car. The cannabis owner Sanak was leaving his Tata Tiago car bearing number TR08B0468 full of cannabis in front of the Max car as the security guard on the phone with the driver of Max car. Meanwhile, on the way, he was caught by the police and his phone was also snatched. As a result, the phone conversation between Max, the driver of the car, and Sanak, the cannabis owner in the car in front, is cut off. And within 5 to 7 minutes of Sanak's arrest, the driver came before the police with a Max car full of cannabis. However, the car driver, Parimal Devnath, tried to escape from the police, but SDPO Abhijit Das immediately chased the R033424 Max vehicle. When this car full of cannabis first passed through Jolaivari, Baikora and then came towards Belonia via Muhuripur, Parimal Devnath, driver of the car with cannabis, was finally arrested in Meshratanpur area. A total of 99 kg of cannabis in 4 sacks were recovered from them.
আপনার নাম বাড়ি তো থানাতে আনছে কি রে কি মাল গাঁজা কতটুক আপনারা কোন থেকে এডি আনতে আসলেন তো ধরছে কোন জায়গাতে আপনারা ধরছে পুলিশে কোন জায়গা থেকে লই যেতে লাগছিলেন কোনে হ্যাঁ নলুয়া মানে কতদিন ধরে এই ব্যবসার লগে জড়িত এর আগে কোনো সময় নিছেন না
Cannabis smuggler Sanak Chaudhary is the son of BJP leader Swapn Chaudhary of Barapathari area. In that context, it is known from sources that some of the police officers are desperate to free Sanak Chaudhary, who was caught in the case of recovering cannabis from this case in exchange of a large sum of money. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.